Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get OnlyFans Telegram bot link on PC. Bot on Telegram provides user with notifications when OnlyFans creators that you like post new contents. To get OnlyFans Telegram bot link on PC, you need to first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.onlyfans.com, then press on enter. With this, now here you need to first log in to your OnlyFans account. For this, you can also use your email address to log in, or you can use your Twitter account, your Google account, or you can go on with your passwordless sign in. I'm going to use my Google account, so click on sign in with Google. Then you can continue with the further process of signing in. After you sign in, then you will be taken to home page. Now here you need to click on notifications option on the left side on the second. With this, now here you can see the notification box. Now here you can see a small settings icon or gear shape icon on the top of the box. Click on the setting icon. Then here you can see your notification setting of your OnlyFans. Now on the other you can see Telegram bot option. Click on Telegram bot. Then here you can see get bot link on the first. Click on get bot link on the first. With this, now here you need to verify your identity. It is a process of security. So click on send code to my email option. With this, now you'll receive a code on your email. So open your email inbox and then look for the mail that is sent from OnlyFans. Now sometimes the mail can also be on your spam, so once view through spam if you are not receiving on your inbox. After this, click on the given mail. Then here you can see your access code. This is a one-time access code, so copy the given code and go back to the OnlyFans website and then enter the given code. After you enter the given code, click on confirm option. With this, now here you'll be able to see your Telegram bot link. Now you need to make sure that you don't share your Telegram bot link with anyone. This is due to some of the security concerns. Now here you can copy the link. To do that, click on copy link option on the down. With this, now your link will be copied. This is how we can get OnlyFans Telegram bot link on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.